back to my YouTube channel. I am taking a flight today after 2 years and I'm going to San Francisco. This is all of my luggage over here. I'm gonna leave in like 5 to 10 minutes. My room is like super messy, but I'm really excited for this trip and I have like almost a 22-hour flight, so I'm a little nervous, but it's going to be worth it, and I'm excited to show all of this on my YouTube channel. I'm doing something like this for the first time, so I hope I can do it well. Airport and now we have a connecting flight. That's my mom. I'm traveling with her. Now we're gonna wait for some relatives to come and pick us up and hopefully they're there. If not, we'll go to some restaurant and eat something because we're really hungry. So I'm living at my cousin's house and the view from their place is literally insane. Let me show it to you. Just look at this. So today is actually a very exciting day. We are gonna go to the Buckroud office in San Francisco in like the Bay Area, and I'm probably gonna show you all a little bit of the office, like whatever I can. I'll try to show a little bit of the city as well. It's gonna be really interesting. I'm meeting my colleagues after working at Buckroud remotely for almost a year. So for a year I've just been working on my computer in my room, and I'm finally gonna see some faces, finally gonna see some people. So I'm really excited for that, and as usual the view is amazing. Okay, so we're finally here at the Buckroud office and we're gonna enter. That's me. Okay, so we're here at the Buckroud office and it's way bigger than I expected it to be. It's pretty empty. We have Clem over here. She's giving us a nice office tour, and yeah. It looks like Buckroud was pretty lit before COVID hit. Now it's just like the office is empty. Okay, so I'm at the Buckroud office and this is Casey Ellis, the founder of Buckroud. I'm just gonna ask him a few questions. Yeah, let's go ahead. What problems do you think currently exist in cybersecurity which can be solved by building products around them?
Wow, it's a really long list. I think COVID, the shift to work from home, the shift in how people like consume products,
yeah,
it's all changed really rapidly over the past 2 years. And I think the other thing that's happened is that the adversary, like nation states, cyber criminals, you name it, they've all gotten a lot more active.
Yeah.
And I think a lot more, it feels to me like they don't care about getting caught anymore, which is kind of a new thing. What that creates is a whole new set of problems to try to solve. So it's a long list. It's hard to pin that one down, but I do think the role of hackers and the people with a hacker mindset going off and doing their thing directly, but then also getting into entrepreneurship and trying to create their own products and solutions. I think there's a lot of opportunities for that.
Yeah, alright, I think this has been a great chat. We're probably gonna do a little bit of an office tour and I'll show you guys around. Okay, so I took off my mask because I'm pretty much the only person in the office right now, but I'm gonna do a quick office tour and just show you around how the Buckroud office actually looks like. So we enter over here and here we have Clementine's desk and we have all of these beautiful pictures over here. It looks like Buckroud was pretty lit before COVID hit. And here we have a nice couch with Buckroud pillows. We have some stuff over here. All the executives are over here. Then we have sales over here. And so all of these flags over here are to represent the different nationalities that Buckroud has. And we also have a cute little board over here. Let's see what it says. I came to the office, so of course I had to steal all of this swag, and I got a couple of stickers as well. Clem's just sitting in there having a meeting. We have all of these stickers over here, so when you open this up, there are like stickers. You can take whatever you want. You can also go down from here. So this space is really cool. I think this is where the bug bash used to happen, and the engineering and SecOps and all of the operations team would be over here. There's so much swag. These are the challenge coins. Then we have a lot of boxes just full of hoodies and clothes over here.
921 Front Street, San Francisco.
This is the gong, and we usually hit it when we've made a sale. These are the sticker boxes. These are all stickers, and I'm gonna go and steal some of them now. We are out exploring San Francisco. Hi everyone, I didn't vlog for a few days and my voice is kind of gone, but I'm meeting someone really special today. You might be able to tell from the title, but I'm not sure. But anyway, this is live recon with Nahamsek. No, just kidding. This is
I'm not doing any recon today. We're just hanging out. There's no laptop.
this is just a hangout. Yeah, we might shoot something. We might do a little Q&A. So stay tuned for that. But anyway, this is really fun.